Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the JPEG painted wood onesie mockup in Pixlr. First, go to pixlr.com in any web browser, pixlr.com. It'll give us a couple of options. We'll click on the Playful Pixlr X. Then on the left-hand side, we'll see an Open Image button, so we want to click Open Image. And then we want to find one of the JPEG onesie mockups. There are 8 different colors, so we'll pick one we like. And then it's going to give us a dialog just asking us if we want to size the mockup down. We don't, so we'll just click Original to open the original size. Then to add our graphics, we'll look at the icons on the left-hand side. The bottom one that says Add Image, when we hover over it, we want to click on that bottom icon and then click on Browse. Then we will find our graphic and click Choose. It's going to ask us if we want to create a new document or add it to the current document as a layer. We will click Add Current, and we'll see it appear on the top layer right there. It's probably going to be a bit big, so we want to hold down the Shift key, click in any of the 4 corners, and just drag it in to size it down. You can also drag it out to make it a little bigger if we need to. And then when it's about the right size, we just click and drag it in place over the top of the onesie. And then when we're done, we'll click Save. And we're going to want a JPEG for use as a thumbnail, like on Etsy. So we'll click the JPEG tab, and then I'd change the quality to 100, leave it on high, and click Download. And it's just going to let us know that this was saved to the default download folder on our device, and it'll give us an option to change the folder where files get saved. If you want an original Pixlr document, you could click Save Again and then select the PXD tab. Please let me know if you have any questions by messaging me at melissabmockups.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com.